Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. US adds TRF to terrorist for Pahalgam strike. Comes under GS2 international relation. In response to April 2022 Pahalgam terror attack, the United States designated the Resistance Front as a foreign terrorist organization and a specially designated global terrorist, affirming India-US counter-terrorism operation. The TRF, a proxy of luxury Taiba, has designated this. US termed Pahalgam incident the deadliest attack since 2008 Mumbai attack. UNSC resolution condemned the attack but stopped short of naming TRF. India's External Affairs Minister hailed the move as strong affirmation of Indo-US and anti-terror ties. TRF background and its significance. TRF is a proxy organization of luxury Taiba, one of the Pakistan's most active militant groups operating primarily in Kashmir. Pahalgam attack impact killed almost 26 civilians, making it is the deadliest terrorist incident in India since 2008 Mumbai attack. This attack prompted India to launch Operation Sindoor and an international diplomatic campaign seeking global designation of TRF as terrorist organization. India-US counter-terrorism cooperation. The US designation of TRF as both an FTO and STGT represents a significant diplomatic victory for India. This designation freezes TRF assets under US jurisdiction, prohibits US person from engaging with the group, restricts travel and material support, strengthens the legal framework for prosecuting TRF members. Indian inequality and World Bank's claims. Recent World Bank report claims a reduction in consumption inequality and near eradication of extreme poverty in India, triggering the debate over the accuracy and interpretation of inequality statistics. World Bank report India and Equity Brief, April 2025 states India has nearly eradicated extreme poverty. Gini coefficient based on consumption fell from 28.8 to 25.5. Rural asset growth. Vehicle ownership is in poorest 20% rose from 6 to 40%. Post-tax, post-transfer income estimates show further reduction of inequality. Understanding the India's inequality merits. Consumption-based inequality measure, vehicle ownership and extreme poverty. Debate on methodology. The World Bank report has triggered debate. Consumption versus income inequality, data collection challenges, asset inequality. World Bank structure and function contains IBRD, IDA, IEFC, MIGA and ICSIDS. World Bank evaluation framework. Criteria for assessing World Bank's performance were poverty reduction, governance, sustainable development and partnership. Criticism. World Bank was created in 1944 as International Bank for Reconstruction and Development along with IMF. Members, it has almost 189 member countries. India is also a member country. Major reports released by World Bank were Ease of Doing Business, Human Capital Index, World Development Report. Nistar, first indigenous diving support vessel commissioned in Navy. Indian Navy commissioned Nistar, the first built diving support vessel. Technical specification measures approximately 120 meters in length with a displacement around 10,000 tons. Operational capabilities includes for submarine rescue, features of dynamic positioning system, precise station keeping, side scan sonar for seabed mapping and support search. Legacy and significance. INS Nistar continues the legacy of original vessel acquired from the USSR in 1969, decommissioned in 1989. Sagar Initiative. Security and growth for all in the region. Technical capabilities. Endurance over 60 days at sea. Equipment 15-ton subsea crane for deep sea recovery systems, dynamic positioning system, side scan sonar. Union Cabinet has approved Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana. Comes under GS2 governance. Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana announced in Union Budget with a 24,000 crore. Subsumes 36 schemes and in 11 ministries. Focus areas were organic farming, soil health, water conservation, private partnership and state scheme convergence also done. Implementation. Monthly monitoring with alignment to national goals. District level plans will be created by Dandanya Samsthi. Framework were implementation framework, planning, implementation, monitoring, evaluation. Feedback also requested. Focus area and expected outcomes were credit access, natural farming, post-harvest infrastructure, soil health management, water conservation, crop diversification. Please practice this mock question. Thank you.